Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on REALME C71. So, first, remember that it's completely normal for your phone to heat while charging. It is just how it works. But we can minimize that heating. So first, I'm going to open some apps just to show you. First, close all the background apps on your phone. The next thing is to use original charger and a cable, and avoid using phone while charging, so just click, leave it while it's turned off and let it charge properly. Next, just take off the phone case while charging and charge in a cool and ventilated area. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.